See the water animals, starfish, dolphins, octopus, everyone is here. See, so many water insects are in the water. How beautiful these are. So colorful. Some are red, some are yellow, some are blue. See, the octopus, which has 8 or 9 legs, something I think. So beautiful. They all are swimming in the water. See, different colors of octopus are there. Different colors. I think some are red, some are purple, some are golden also. So beautiful. Oh my god. They are swimming under the water. So deep. How beautiful. The natural beauty of water. Oh my god. See. The big insect is eating small insects in the water. See. They are taking their foods. Fishes are also taking their foods. These are their eggs. Wow. Really beautiful. Beautiful octopus. Oh my god. So many small plants are under the water. They are natural plants. So beautiful scenery is this. This is natural beauty. See, see, see. A big octopus is going to kill a small insect for their food. Oh my god. Very beautiful. God has created many beautiful insects on this earth, in the water, everywhere. God creatures are wonderful. These are natural beauties. See, 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 octopus has eaten a small insect. See, see how octopus is eating. Yes. Very good, octopus. These are their eggs. How many eggs? My god. So beautiful. See, a big insect is eating. Oh my god. Oh my god. So big this is.